Hey everyone, I received this GCI outdoor rocking chair today and I immediately wanted to make a video on this. I was browsing through Amazon looking for a comfortable rocking chair I can use while camping, and this was the best one I could find. It had tons of reviews and had a 4.5 star rating, so I picked it up. This model is called the Freestyle Rocker, has pretty much the same features as other folding chairs out there. It comes with a cup holder made out of ripstop material, and it's easy to open and close using the Easy Fold lift handle. This chair does not feel cheap whatsoever. Now let's move on to my favorite feature, which is the spring shock, or what I like to call it, the long travel suspension. That allows it to give you that rocking motion. For me, this was perfect, not only because it's exactly what I was looking for, but the chair itself is pretty comfortable. The chair is a bit pricey at 50 bucks, but if you are looking for a good rocking chair for camping, this is about the price range you will find them at. Those cheaper ones have crappy reviews, and it didn't make sense for me to save 7 bucks to get something of lesser quality. If you would like to pick up this chair, I've linked it down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.